Hello everyone. In mathematics, an algebraic expression is an expression built up from integer constants, variables, and the algebraic operations. So today, let us find more about it in our lesson Algebraic Expression and Identities. Expressions. Expressions are formed by using variables and constants. For example, x plus 3, 2y minus 5, 3x square and 4xy plus 7. If we take the example of 2y minus 5, it is made up of y as the variable and 2 and minus 5 as the constants. Terms. Terms are added to form expressions. For example, 5ab plus 90, 14gh minus 13, and 56m cube plus 65 minus yz. Terms are commonly made up of coefficients, variables, or constants. Monomial. An expression comprising of only one term is known as monomial. For example, 5x, 2y square, 6mn, 90a, minus 9q, 10cd, minus 11 and xyz. Binomial. An expression having two terms is known to be a binomial. For example, a plus b, 41 plus 5m, a plus 4, 5 minus 3xy, z square minus 4y, 7x square minus 4xy, 6y plus 6, 5k square minus 4np square. Trinomial. An expression consisting of three terms is said to be known as trinomial. For example, a plus b plus c, 2x plus 3y minus 5, x cube y minus xy cube plus y cube, 7x minus 4y plus 5, 5xy plus 9zy plus 3zx, 6kl minus 9op plus 18. Polynomial. In general, an expression containing one or more terms with a non-zero coefficient, that is with variables having non-negative exponents, is called a polynomial. A polynomial may contain any number of terms, one or more than one. For example, a plus b plus c plus d, 3xy, 7xyz minus 10, and 2x plus 3y plus 7z. Like terms. Like terms are formed from the same variables. The powers of these variables have to be same to be a like term. Coefficient of these like terms may or may not be the same. For example, 7xy and 8xy, 5x square and 7x square, 6xyz and xyz. Unlike terms. The terms that do not have the same variable content are said to be unlike terms. In unlike terms, the powers and the coefficients of the variable may or may not be the same. For example, 7k square and level g, 63xyz cube and klm, op and x. Coefficient. The numerical factor of a term is called its numerical coefficient or simply coefficient. Here is an example in the table. Observe it carefully. Factors. Terms themselves can be formed as the product of factors. Example is given in the table. Addition of algebraic expressions. There are two common methods by which we add algebraic expression. We will study one of them. Let's take the following example. 7xy plus 5yz minus 3zx plus in the bracket 4yz plus 9zx minus 4y plus in the bracket minus 2xy minus 3zx plus 5x. Now we will solve this problem by the method. First, write the terms of the first bracket, followed by the terms of the second bracket and the third bracket below their like terms. Now we have to solve the problem below the line. Look at the example shown. Subtraction of algebraic expressions. Here there are two common methods by which we add algebraic expression. We will study one of it. Let's take the following example. In the bracket 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3 close the bracket minus in the bracket 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. Now let us solve this problem. First write the terms of the first bracket, followed by the terms of the second bracket below their like terms. In the next line in brackets, invert the signs of the second bracket's term. That is, for as when this bracket will be opened to take out the terms, the signs of the terms will automatically change. Now solve the problem below the line. Look at the example and understand it carefully. Multiplication of algebraic expressions. Multiplication of algebraic expression most commonly has the same pattern for most of its times. For example, multiplying a monomial by a monomial, multiplying two monomials, multiplying three or more monomials, multiplying a monomial by a polynomial, multiplying a monomial by a binomial, multiplying a monomial by a trinomial, multiplying a polynomial by a polynomial, multiplying a binomial by a binomial, and multiplying a binomial by a trinomial. Multiplying monomials. To multiply monomials, multiply the coefficients and add the exponents with the same basis. Example, 3x multiplied by 15y multiplied by 2ab is equal to, in the bracket, 3 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 2, close the bracket, again in the bracket, x multiplied by y multiplied by ab, close the bracket, is equal to 90 multiplied by xyab. So it is equal to 90 abxy. Multiplying polynomials. To multiply two polynomials, we multiply each monomial by one polynomial with its sign by each monomial with its signs of the other polynomial. Write these products one after the other with their signs and then add like monomials to form the complete product. Example, x plus 3 in the brackets multiplied by in the brackets minus 2x plus 2 close the bracket is equal to, in the bracket, x plus 3 close the bracket, multiplied by minus 2x plus in the bracket x plus 3 close the bracket multiplied by 2 is equal to in the bracket minus 2x square minus 6x close the bracket plus in the bracket 2x plus 6 close the bracket is equal to minus 2x square minus 4x plus 6. Identity. An equality true for every value of the variable in it is called an identity. There are nearly 4 main standard identities. First one, a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second one, a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third one, a plus b in the bracket multiplied by a minus b in the bracket is equal to a square minus b square. Fourth one, in the bracket x plus a close the bracket multiplied by x plus b in the bracket is equal to x square plus in the bracket a plus b multiplied by x plus ab. So this was all about our lesson algebraic expressions and identities. Algebraic expressions play an important role in the mathematics curriculum and in mathematics in general. It is first used to explore the role of variables constants in a real life context. So learning about this is very important. Thank you, students.